Alright, so this is the module out of the 95 overhead console, and the power for the lights, the dome lights, of which there are two, were plugged directly into this. So this is the connector. I had two yellow wires, a black and a gray. The two yellow ones are the power wires. So that's 12 volts. The ground is a ground, or the black is a ground, and the gray turned out to be a ground for what appears to be a switch, like the open door switch. So I have it set up over here. So I got my 12 volts to the yellow. We got one, as you can see, going to the bulb on the front, and the yellow, if you follow it back, going, I think it goes into these green ones to the bulb here. So when I click now, I get light on both sides. You'll just have to believe me down there. If I click, I get light. And the gray, which is currently not hooked up, I guess I didn't mention, I do have my black ground hooked up. This is a bypass for the backlights. So when I when I ground that, that turns on. So I think that is the door switch there. Now on the 2001, whatever, 97 plus dome light, this is it. I've already pulled out the card here, which is for the keyless entry, and put it here, but this never managed any of the lighting. The lighting plugged in right here, and we got three prongs. So there is black, yellow, and pink. Alright, I got it pulled up here. So it looks like the pink is our regular fused, the yellow courtesy lamps driver. It's kind of weird language when you call it driver. I don't think that means driver side. I think it just means the power driver for the courtesy lamps, which are going to be hopefully above. So we'll connect the yellow to the gray, the pink to the yellow, and the black to the black, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, it worked out just like I thought it would, so we've got it all hooked up. So our main power is the pink, and our main ground is the black, and our courtesy light is the yellow. So we've got it all hooked up. Like I said, I combine the two yellow, black, and gray goes to pink. So if we hit the button, come on. There we go. On, off. As you can see, the back lights are on because the door's open. Close the door, they come off. Pretty nice.